Dear student, this is my lecture number 11 of the topic coordination compounds for class 12. This is the continuous part from the previous lecture 10. Now we would like to discuss the topic bonding in metal carbonyls. Carbonyl CO. Carbonyl is a neutral ligand. Carbonyl, it is a neutral ligand. In metal carbonyl, the ligand which donate electron to d orbital vacant, d orbital with metal of metal to form bonding. At the same time, this is a special effect in the case of carbonyl. At the same time, the antibonding, the pi antibonding carbonyl, that is CO ligands which donate electron to vacant d orbital of metal. This is known as back donation. Back donation or back bonding. This is the synergic effect. This is synergic effect of metal with CO ligands. It means we can draw this diagram. How can we synergic effect with ligands? This is the transition metals. CO is a neutral ligand. If the metal, the CO ligands which donate electron to metal atom, then it forms sigma bond. At the same time, the antibonding of pi antibonding of CO which contains electrons which donate electron to vacant orbital of metal to form pi bond. This is metal CO bonding. This is the synergy effect. And there is a large number of metal carbonyl compound is to be formed. There is a large number of metal carbonyl compound is to be formed. Example for mononuclear carbonyl, like NiCO whole 4. It contains one nucleus, FeCO whole 5, CrCO whole 6. There are so many examples for, if we draw this structure, NiCO, CO. If we draw the structure of this one, this is the octahedral geometry. There are so many dinuclear compounds, like example to that of dinuclear compound, dinuclear carbonyl compounds, like example of Mn2 CO10, CO, 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 one, two, three, four, 5, 6. CO2, CO8. This is also a dinuclear carbonyl compounds. If we draw this structure like that of one, two, three, four, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is dinuclear. The structure is octahedral. Now, last topic we have to discuss the stability constant of coordination compound. The stability constant of coordination compounds. The complex compound dissolve into aqueous solution so that there is an equilibrium established between two species. This is expressed in terms of stability constant. Let us take example. If metal 4 ligand making the complex, so that the equilibrium established between two species expressed as Ml4. In this way, we can express as K4 equal to Ml4, concentration of this Ml4 upon concentration of metal into concentration of ligand 4. Now these stability constant expressed in following ways. If the first step M plus L making the complex of Ml, that is equilibrium constant, is expressed as K1. K1 will be the step 1 equilibrium constant. Ml plus L making the equilibrium constant K2. Third one is Ml plus L. This is K3. This is Ml3. And Ml3 plus L, Ml4, where K1, K2, K3 and Qa4 be the stepwise equilibrium constant. So that overall stability constant expressed as K4, that is beta 4 concentration, this is Ml4 upon M into L4, so that these stability constants, which depends upon the magnitude of equilibrium constant, between two species. Now that's all. Now I have finished the topic coordination compound. So if anything doubt, you can ask my this contact number 999-253-9757. This is my contact number. Anything, any question, any doubt, you can ask this number.